got me into 3D printing and caused me to look at it was sitting in a speech and debate tournament. My kids do speech and debate, and one of the things that the parents need to do is judge debate tournaments and speech tournaments. And so I was lucky I got into an informative speech category. And the second or third speaker gave an informative speech about 3D printing. And boy, as he started describing what was happening with 3D printing and the exciting technology developments, my mind started spinning with how this could change how materials are delivered in the world. That people could be making material selections and innovations could happen in materials that have never been able to happen before because of how the whole manufacturing infrastructure is built today. And so as he gave his short 10-minute speech, I was just motivated to say, wow, this is where I want to be. This is tremendous. And I scored his speech, and I had to admit I knew his mother. And I went to his mother afterwards, and I said, I'm sorry, but in my judging of his speech, I think I offered him a job. So it was just from there on out, I knew what I wanted to understand about the market to decide if this was something that I wanted to do more of. But it was just inspired. Now, I feel bad for any of the speakers that came after that poor guy because I was developing a business plan instead of judging a speech tournament. But I think he deserved the win that I gave him.